is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. As you guys can read my new YouTube channel name, it is official, guys. JDM Dennis. It's gonna be the same username account on my Instagram and TikTok as well. So if you guys haven't followed me on there, make sure to do that. But the biggest reason why I changed my YouTube name is that when I'm at the car shows and stuff, when people ask me, hey, what's your YouTube channel name? People are like, wait, how do you spell your last name? It gets complicated quite a bit. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I changed it. And yes, also another reason that I changed it is that I'm getting lots of popularity on my channel, which I really want to thank you guys so much for making this happen. And I thought this would be a perfect time to change. And how I came up with this name is that I've actually been talking with one of my good buddy, Jasper. You guys probably know him with the red RSX. I've been talking to him for a while now that, hey, you know, what should I change my YouTube channel name to? And then, yes, we came down to the name JDM Dennis. I know sounds a little bit corny, but the reason why we choose that name is that a little bit of background story of me is that I was actually born and raised in Kobe, Japan, and when I was 12, I actually moved over here. And if you guys are familiar with city of Kobe, it is right next to city of Osaka. And if you guys know city of Osaka, that is where the home of the Kanjozokus are. So I thought this will be a perfect name for my channel. And most of the time I film all JDM cars, so I thought this will be a perfect fit. Jesus Christ. See, this is what happens when you live in the ghetto. There's ton of sirens going off, and I just can't make a video. Just give me a quick second. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, you know what? Just let me hop in my car real quick because I don't know what the hell's going on outside of my neighborhood, but I live in a ghetto, and there's crap ton of sirens going on. So I want you guys to hear me, and for some reason today there's a ton of airplanes flying over my head too, so the sound is really blocking. So I'm just gonna talk inside of the car. So let's go over through some of the builds plan for my small red, which is my Nissan hardbody. The builds plan for that is lowering it, throw some different wheels, which I don't know what wheels I really want to throw on that truck yet. So if you guys have any suggestion for 6-lug pattern, please let me know in the comments down below. And also, I want to just do some cosmetic stuff like a clear tail lights and different, you know, maybe like a HID headlights and all that too, so at the nighttime I can see it. And plus, that's my daily at the moment. So yeah, and I want to fix my sound system, my stereo system and all that too on the truck. I don't want to throw a bass in it because that's just my daily commuter. So, and plus, what's the point of throwing a bass because there's no room in the truck at all anyways to begin with. So that's the build plan for my Nissan hardbody if I can. But my main focus I want to work on is my Baby Jade, obviously. So the builds plan for the Baby Jade is definitely I want to get a bigger brake kit from Bigger Brake Kits and just pretty much replace the rear calipers as well, just pretty much replace the whole brake system on this car. So because the brake rotors are shot, I need new pads and everything. So flush the fluids and all that goodies and stuff as well. And also one of the biggest part that I want to do to this car is get a different coilover setup. So I haven't really decided what coilover setup I want to go with this car, but I want something very stiff for the track setup. So if you guys have any suggestion, leave me in the comments down below. So yeah, currently I'm running a Buddy Club Racing coilovers, but the struts on those are seized up from the previous owner because he did not take care of those. So thank you to him, whoever it was. But yeah, it is what it is at this point. So yeah, but other than that, guys, I hope you guys like my new YouTube channel name, JDM Dennis. So I hope you guys enjoy a little short kind of like an update video, just kind of, you know, tell people that, hey, you know, I changed my name and all that. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Other than that, guys, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.